Hey y'all, Michael just walked in from work and he said, "Is this your first dish you're doing today?" And I said, "Yeah, it's your lucky day. It is a berry buttermilk pie."
Oh,
How
sounds
about
good.
that? And the crust, Michael, is shortbread cookies that are crumbled up. And I've got 4 tablespoons of butter that I'm gonna mix in there. And we're gonna put it into that pie shell. Let's see if that's gonna be enough butter.
I was about to say 4 tablespoons is not much for you.
Well, all we want to do is really just get those crumbs. Get those crumbs moist. And the moisture from the butter will help them crisp up. I think that might be enough. Anyway, we're gonna.
First time I ever heard you say that.
Okay. Here we go. I'll help give it a little head start by mashing that in. And I'm going to just take my measuring cup and help get it all pressed in. So what I'm going to do, I am going to
We'll put more butter in?
No. I'm going to spray this so hopefully it won't stick.
Oh.
Let's see, said the blind man. And you want to press this in here as firm as you can, y'all. Now I'm going to put this in the oven, y'all, for about 12 minutes. 10 to 12 minutes. And it's going to get real crunchy. Y'all, Michael distracts me real bad when he's in here in the kitchen with me, and I forgot to add the sugar to the cookie crumbs. So I'm just going to do it like this, and it'll be fine. Like I said, you can fix most things, y'all, as long as you think about it in time. So there we go. I'm sorry I forgot to put that sugar in with those cookies, but I just sprinkled it on top, so all is well, y'all.
Crust.
The crust, what did I say?
Cookies.
It's cookie crust.
Oh.
See, he distracts me, y'all.
Trying to help.
You trying to help? All right, well, help me tell them that I'm fixing to put raspberries, strawberries, and buttermilk. And I'm going to use your bullet. Is that what you call this thing, this machine I'm using?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's our buttermilk. And we're just going to puree this.
Yeah, you're not supposed to put any of that in there?
No, that goes in with the cream cheese.
Trying to help you.
That is so pretty. All right, so now I'm going to use my hand mixer to beat up 8 ounces of cream cheese that's softened and 3/4 a cup of sweetened condensed milk. And you could make a good pie just out of this stuff right here. I promise you. And it'll probably take like 2 minutes to completely incorporate these things. Okay. Now I'm going to add, what did I do with that little one? Oh, there it is. I'm going to add our pureed fruit and buttermilk. And you know, I don't know if this will come out by Labor Day. It may not. But should you see this before Labor Day, this would be a great dessert to serve because it's going to go in the freezer. So you can have it already prepared. You can see how easy it is. Okay. Now I'm going to fold in. I'm going to fold in our raspberry preserves. And this recipe, y'all, calls for frozen whipped topping. But you know, I always make fresh whipped cream for any of my desserts because I like it. I just like it. You know, our grandchildren are crazy about raspberries, Michael.
Oh, yeah.
So, I'm gonna
Probably
add
my least favorite berry.
really.
Yeah.
Well, it's one of the best for you, so that's probably why you don't like it.
I do.
I think it said use like 3/4 of a cup of whipped topping to fold in, save the rest to put on top when I serve this. Our strawberry raspberry pie filling is going into our pie crust, and you want to make sure that that crust is nice and completely cool. It's really, really good, y'all. It's refreshing. Very refreshing. And remember, I've got the leftover whipped cream that I'll put on top when I serve it. Now, this is probably going to take about 4 hours for this to freeze. And then I think you're going to be able to eat it straight out of the refrigerator, best I recall. I don't think it'll have to go back in the freezer. Probably won't have any to go in the freezer. Yeah, I made a little mess right there, but that's what makes it good and homemade, because it doesn't look perfect. And you know, when things like me don't look perfect, that just means you're homemade. All right, Therese. In the freezer it goes, 4 hours. And Eddie and I will be back. Look at that. And, you know, I saved some extra topping. I don't know if I got any strawberries or anything to garnish it with, but you know what? I don't think it needs garnishing. I think it just needs to go in my pie hole. My mouth is what pie was made for. It's gonna be cold. That shortbread cookie crust, Eddie, is out of this world. And I'm surprised that you get such a strawberry flavor. It is delicious. And you know what? Sometimes at night, before I go to bed, I just want a bite of something sweet. And it's so nice to be able to go to the freezer and cut you a little piece of pie. Can I go ahead and cut you a piece, Eddie? Can I start now trying to cut it?
I think I'm gonna wait.
You gonna wait?
Yeah.
For what?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? I don't have the constitution that man has, y'all. You know, eat dessert first. I hadn't even had supper. So good. Try it. You'll like it. Loving best dishes, y'all.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.